South Africans are once again left shocked and deeply disturbed following a deadly shooting at the Booysens Magistrates Court in Johannesburg. 2 people were killed and 5 others were shot during the incident, which took place earlier today as court proceedings were concluding. The shooting has sent waves of fear through court users, legal professionals, and the surrounding community. According to information provided by provincial police spokesperson, preliminary investigations indicate that 3 men wearing caps approached a group of people as they were leaving the court.
Into a court, and as they were coming, going through about to go down the stairs, there's about 3 shooters that came and randomly shot at them. And as they were shooting, this was resulted in the 2 of the victims being declared dead on the scene, and 3 were taken to hospital for medical treatment. We know that the suspects fled the scene on foot. But
suspects then opened fire before fleeing the scene in a suspected cloned white Audi vehicle.
We know that also after they got out of the premises, they were picked up by a white Audi, which is a clone. As when the police were doing preliminary investigations, they determined that that vehicle is a clone. So for now, we have our crime scene management from forensic services. We also have the serious and violence crime unit from provincial office that is going to be investigating a case of 2 counts of murder and 3 counts of attempted murder.
One of the victims who was shot is believed to be a lawyer, though the identities of those killed and injured have not yet been officially released. The 5 people who were shot sustained varying injuries and were rushed for medical treatment. Their current conditions have not been disclosed. At this stage, the motive for the shooting remains unknown. Authorities have confirmed that investigations are underway to determine whether the attack was targeted and to establish what led to the deadly incident. Gauteng Police Commissioner Lieutenant General Tommy confirmed that resources have been mobilized following the shooting to support the investigation and ensure that all leads are pursued. Members of the public who may have information that could assist investigators have been urged to contact the Crime Stop line. Meanwhile, Deputy Minister of Justice and Constitutional Development, Andries is expected to visit the scene to assess the situation and engage with officials regarding safety concerns at court facilities. The Department of Justice and Constitutional Development has condemned the shooting, describing it as a serious and deeply concerning incident. The ministry says it will work with relevant security and law enforcement authorities to ensure that all necessary measures are implemented to safeguard court users, legal practitioners, and staff. This incident has reignited public concern about the level of violence being reported across the country. From shootings to fatal crashes and violent attacks, many South Africans say the frequency of such incidents is becoming overwhelming. For many citizens, today's events have intensified feelings of fear and uncertainty. At this point, it feels like killings are being reported everywhere. What should be places of safety and order are increasingly becoming scenes of violence. For ordinary South Africans, it is becoming scarier with each passing day. Courts are meant to symbolize justice, accountability, and the rule of law. An attack at such a place strikes at the heart of public confidence and leaves many questioning how safe public spaces truly are. For the families of those killed, today's shooting marks a devastating and irreversible loss. For those injured, the trauma of the event will likely remain long after physical wounds heal. As investigations continue, authorities say more information will be released as soon as it becomes available. This is a developing story, and South Africa once again finds itself mourning lives lost to senseless violence.